Hence, here in this problem, we are given vertices of triangle a+1, a+1, a+2, and a. We have to find the area of this triangle. Right. Now, here in this, one thing is we can use a very big formula given vertices, what is the area of triangle, etc. But here there is some symmetry. A+1, a+1, and a+2a. There is some symmetry. Right. Let's use that symmetry. Let's for now assume that a is 0, 0. Let's say a is 0. Then what are these three vertices? Then 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 0. Right. What exactly is this triangle? 0, 0, it is at origin, and 2, 0 is here, and 1, 1 is here. Right. This is like this. This is such a simple triangle now. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. We know this is 1. Right. Because this is 1, 1. Y is 1. So this is 1. What is base? Base is 2. Half into 2 into 1 is equal to 1. Right. Irrespective of a, it doesn't matter. If you shift this 0, 0 to 1, 1 or 4, 4, it doesn't matter. The triangle, the area of triangle will remain same. Just that this position, the position of the vertices will change, but the relative positions will always remain same. Even if you make it 4, 0, then this becomes 6, 0, then this becomes 5, 1. It doesn't matter. Still, the base is same, the height is same. Right. So this is just a simple problem. We don't need to worry about doing entire calculations. Just visualizing the vertices will give us that the base is 2 and the height is 1. Right, half into base into height is 1. Right, such a nice problem, guys. Thank you.